Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to write comments in Microsoft Excel cells. But before we get started, I would really appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to support us. Let us see how to do it. In this table, we have income, expense, and profit. And if you want to have a comment in each cell, right click into the target cell. Here we have insert comment. Write your comment. This is the minimum. If you want a comment to be visible, right click. Here we have show and hide comments. Now the comment is visible. Here we can hide the comment. Also, there's a possibility to delete the comment. Right click. Here we have delete a comment. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comments.